Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 1993 Honda Goldwing Aspencade with 82,170 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, accessory lighting, auxiliary passing lamps, Kuriak and Ring of Fire front rotor covers, rear mud flaps, chrome accessory trim, and a reupholstered seat. From Honda, it comes equipped with cruise control, reverse, an intercom, and a CB radio. The Goldwing set the standard for metric touring bikes with its premium comfort, impressive performance, and bulletproof reliability. Despite the age of the Aspencade, it can still hold its own, and the TRIKE kit offers the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 1520cc 6-cylinder engine, the Aspencade puts 100 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 806 pounds with a 30.1-inch seat height. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.